Mag-asawang Jericho Rosales at Kim Jones ay tuluyan na umanong tinuldukon ang kanilang pagsasama bilang mag-asawa. Sa eksklusibong ulat ng ABS-CBN News nitong Lunes, January 29, kinumpirma umano ng isang malapit na kaibigan ng mag-asawa ang nasabing balita sa pareho ring araw. Ayon umano kay Rico Ocampo, tumatayong ninong ng celebrity couple, 2019 pa raw hiwalay sina Jericho at Kim. While the friendship between the two remains, they have decided it is time to lead separate lives. They are encouraging each other to grow, albeit in different directions. It was a mutual decision, an amicable separation, dealt with grace and maturity by both parties, pahayag ni Ocampo sa ABS-CBN News. The two are filled with gratitude for the memories they've made together and the lessons they've learned. They have journeyed through the separation with the utmost respect and care toward one another precisely because Echo and Kim are the best of friends and love each other like family, aniya. Dagdag pa ni Ocampo, this split is not born out of ill feelings. On the contrary, one might say that it is a demonstration of their affection and respect, as Echo and Kim only wish the best for each other. Sa kabila nito, grateful umano sina Jericho at Kim sa mga sumuporta sa kanila sa buong taong sila'y magkasama. Na-appreciate din daw ng dalawa ang pagrespeto sa kanilang privacy noong mga panahong sila'y nagkahiwalay. Ibinahagi rin ni Ocampo na may niluluto umanong proyekto sina Jericho at Kim na nakatakdang ilabas ngayong taon. Matatandaang bago pumasok ang 2024 ay umugang ang balitang hiwalay na sina Jericho at Kim dahil sa blind item na naiulat sa showbiz-oriented vlog ni OG Diaz.